Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to easily increase chart height in OANDA application. If you want to adjust the chart view or increase the chart height in the OANDA app, then it is a straightforward process. First of all, launch Open OANDA application on your device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and select one of your currency pairs. If you are in the portfolio section or any other section, make sure you're inside instruments. And now select any currency pair and then simply drag this little handle upwards. Now you'll see the chart displayed on the screen. Go to the bottom of the screen and find this little slider. To decrease the chart height, go towards the left. To increase the chart height, go towards the right. And there you go. That is how you will be able to adjust your chart height in OANDA application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.